also got to know that mental health has become the most talked about topic. क्योंकि मैंने आपको कहा था कि आप जो मेरी रील लाइक करेंगे या जो वीडियो लाइक करेंगे जिस पे सबसे ज़्यादा व्यूज़ आएंगे तो मुझे समझ में आ जाएगा दैट व्हाट आर the issues you are fighting with, you are struggling with. Recently I had a case with a girl जो कि एक mental issue से struggle कर रही थी. बचपन से ही वो अपने माता पिता के साथ जब रहती थी उनकी आपस में लड़ाइयाँ और बहुत ज़्यादा distant होना, absent father, absent brother and even absent mother. Like mother was present but the girl was not very very connected to the mother. And what this led to? This led to smoking. This led to unnecessary relationship which were not very mature because she was a small girl, right? This is a recent study. This is about a girl from a non-Asian country. So this when I I started sessions with the girl, I got to know that she had a trauma. She had a trauma of abandonment, that she was not taken care of. Also, there was a reason on during the sessions when we asked that what is the reason, क्यों क्या हो रहा है, क्यों, because she was very suicidal. When she was suicidal, and it took me a continuous 6 to 7 hours a day and almost 5 to 6 days that talking to her continuously so that she leaves taking her own life. She leaves the thought of taking her own life because it happens when you're not able to cope up with the trauma, when you're not able to cope up with the problems, with the anxiety, with the depression. You think, I'll let me die. What is the fun living in this life? So, but let me suggest you children, as you know that I am specifically concerned about the children of pre-adolescent and adolescent age, and also I cater to the people of all ages, but this is the age which is an asset to our country, which is an asset to the nation, which is an asset to the universe and the world. तो मैं चाहती हूँ that you should take very good care of your mental health. Nobody talks about mental health. It has become a taboo, but don't let it become a taboo. Let it come out. Talk to the people. Now, आप लोग क्या करते हो? You talk to some random people because it's a social taboo. You just talk to someone. You talk to the friend. You talk to some the near and dear one. वो और grapevines की तरह फैलता जाता है, network होता जाता है, बातें और फैलती हैं, and ultimately the result is zero. Then what to do? Whom to contact? Because when you contact your own friends, they are on your own age. They are also struggling the same problem. Either they would support you a bit if they are emotionally mature. Otherwise, they will make fun of you. And they will rather spread the stories about you. This is what happens with 90% of the mentees I counsel, from the word, whether it's a boy or a girl. So, अब आपको क्या करना है? What you do, at least till the time, number one, that you start following up. इंस्टा पे बहुत ज़्यादा रहते हो ना, आप सोचते हो कि इंस्टा में 1 मिनट की रील में आपको ज़िंदगी की सारी फिलॉसफी समझ में आ जाएगी, सारी साइकोलॉजी समझ में आ जाएगी, सारी ज़िंदगी के आपके मसले वहाँ हल हो जाएंगे. नो, watch over a therapist or like Mind Radius or anyone else which you have over the few months have developed faith, जिसके नॉलेज पर आपको भरोसा है, जिसका आपने बैकग्राउंड चेक किया, जिसकी यूट्यूब चेक किया, जिसका लिंक्डइन चेक किया, जिसका आपने सब बैकग्राउंड चेक कर लिया. तब आपको जब विश्वास हुआ, आपने देखा विच इज़ नॉट कॉपी पेस्ट इंस्टाग्राम रील इन्फ्लुएंसर, तो आपने उसको फॉलो करना शुरू किया. 2 months, 1 month, 3 months, and then उसके बाद you start DMing, you start mailing, or you start talking to the person and take your life very seriously. I'm very annoyed with this young youth, because the youth is not taking care of its health, mental health, physical health, financial health, and what's happening, that's another part. So number one is follow the person. Don't go for influencers posts. Don't just scroll the reels and then watch इसने क्या कहा, उसने क्या कहा, वो क्या कह रहा है, because it keeps on rotating in your, the thoughts keep on getting more complex. So follow one. Number 2, that start taking therapy. Number 3 is most important thing. Start loving yourself. Love yourself. Ma'am, love कैसे करते हैं अपने आप को? This is the most important question. This is the most important, very important and so loving question, that how you love yourself. Years of abuse, physical, mental, and any kind, it leaves you nowhere, right? So आपको क्या होगा कि आपको उसका पैटर्न, आपका नर्वस सिस्टम डेवलप कर लेता है. या मेरे साथ तो ऐसा ही होता है. मैं तो उठ ही नहीं पाता बेड से, मैं तो जा ही नहीं पाता. मेरे ऑफिस में तो मेरे साथ हमेशा डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होता है, और सब लोगों को तो सैलरी इंक्रीज मिलता है, मुझे तो मिलता ही नहीं. कितनी भी मेरे पास नॉलेज है, नोबडी टॉक्स टू मी. मुझे तो ऑन साइट अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती ही नहीं, लोगों को मिल जाती है. येस, दैट इज ट्रू. बट व्हाट इफ यू स्टॉप talking like this to your brain? Because whatever you think for the whole day becomes your reality. This is an NLP master practitioner and a neuropsychologist telling you, whatever you talk to yourself, whatever you think your mind, whatever you feel in your heart becomes your reality. So now if you want to change your reality, what will you do? Let the all circumstances go beyond your approach. You are not capable of controlling them, but you can control yourself, right? You can control your emotion. Love yourself. I'm so good. I'm so knowledgeable. My skills are changing people's life and even mine. I know that I am a successful person. I know that I am a loving person. I know that I'm such an intelligent person, and I am so good. I'm so beautiful. I'm so loving. I'm so lovable. I am healthy. You see, go to my channel where you will find mental health. There are I have divided all my near about 900 videos into playlists. So go to mental health playlist, go to Ho'oponopono playlist, where also the affirmations, go to the meditations. So 4-5 list you go to, and then watch, start meditating. आपको अब नेक्स्ट पॉइंट ये है, क्या करूं? मोटिवेशन नहीं आता, बेड से उठने का मोटिवेशन नहीं आता, ऑफिस जाने से का मोटिवेशन नहीं आता, साइकिलिंग का मोटिवेशन नहीं आता, फ्रेंडशिप के लिए मूवी जाने का नहीं मोटिवेशन आता. यू आर सो यंग. हाउ कम यू आर वेस्टिंग योर टाइम लाइंग इन द बेड? हाउ कम यू आर वेस्टिंग योर टाइम just sleeping? Another day, another night, another morning, another night, and so the many so golden years of your life have passed by. So stop doing it. Take control on your hand. क्या मोटिवेशन आएगा? इतना सा ही मोटिवेशन रख लीजिए कि आपको अपनी फेस देखना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, आपको ताज़ी हवा बहुत अच्छी लगती है, आपको पेंटिंग बहुत अच्छी लगती है, आपको डांस करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. एक छोटा सा मोटिवेशन रख लीजिए. वट एवर योर हॉबी इज, आपको किसी से बात करना अच्छा लगता है, आपको कहीं जाना अच्छा लगता है, कोई एक छोटा सा मोटिवेशन अपनी लाइफ में रखिए. हाँ, और अगर माइंड रेडियस भी आपको लगता है कि आपको मोटिवेट करता है, तो यहाँ पर भी आप रोज आया करिए, क्योंकि आप बहुत प्यारे लगते हैं, और मैं आपको मोटिवेट, अब टाइम निकाल कर अपने सेशन से आपको मैं मोटिवेट करती हूँ, और आपके साथ केसेस भी अभी जल्दी से शेयर करूँगी. आप समझिए इसको और अपने लाइफ का कंट्रोल हाथ में लीजिए, बिकॉज मेंटल हेल्थ इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यू आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यू आर एन एसेट टू योर family, you're an asset to the nation, you're an asset to the company. आप अपने आप को उठाइए. Years have passed. आप अपने आप को डेवलप कीजिए. ओके, आपको मेरी ज़रूरत हो, आप मुझे DM करिए. Until unless you follow me, I will not accept your DM. You can mail me at mindmentor1111@gmail.com, or you can use Messenger at our Facebook page, Geeta Sahni Multipurpose Academy, to send us the message. Our phones are not working properly, so आप DM करेंगे, we will just try to answer you if only you are the committed community member, right? See ya. God bless.